everyone, welcome back. Today we are working on bowling. We're working on swing, step, roll. So you have to roll that ball, especially if you are in the house. Maybe 3 bounces and you're out, okay? So when you are setting up your mini bowling alley, I have my random toys and things are down there set up, and they are set up kind of in a pyramid. So I have 1 that's at the top, and then it goes 2, and then 3, and then 4. Nice and even. Okay, so that's kind of the shape that is down there facing you. Okay, and you can use things that you have around your house. Check with your grown-ups to see what's best for you. But you might have, there's a paper cup or plastic cup down there, like a Yoda doll kind of thing. He didn't sit up very well, so he didn't work all that great. Or some other stuffy, let's see, oh, we have lots of like Duplos and Legos at our house, so I bet you could even build things. You need 10 things that kind of stand up straight. The smaller, the harder, the bigger, the easier. Okay, Transformers, I don't know, Iron Man, all kinds of things, doll, whatever you have, you just need 10 items to set up your little bowling alley. And so I'm gonna use a ball about like this. This one's kind of a nice soft rubbery one.
Now this one you can stand up.
Yep, you could use a Mr. Potato Head as well. So when I bowl, I'm gonna stand back, I'm gonna step opposite foot, so I swing that ball back. Step opposite foot in that really low lunge, swing, step, and roll. Oh, got a couple. Okay, so see how many you can get? So usually you get 2 tries to knock everything down, and then reset it and let someone else at your house try. Are you gonna try? Okay, run down and get the ball. Around the couch so things don't get lost under the couch. You might want that too. Having a nice straight spot is good. Anyway, have fun practicing your swing, step, roll today. Hey everyone, so a couple things I forgot to mention. You can play this outside. So maybe you have some scrap pieces of wood that are cut up. You could use those as your bowling pins. You could use a basketball or maybe a soccer ball to roll those. Those are best outside, okay? And inside, if you have foam blocks or wood blocks, you could use those as well inside instead of some of the other items I found earlier. So have fun with it, be creative. Remember, it has to roll and use that opposite hand and foot. Have fun.